back to Big Joe's Outdoors. Today, I stopped by my brother's house to go rebait a beehive, or a bee swarm catching box. And his fig tree was basically in the driveway. So I took a few cuttings from it. I am going to be, they're already starting to wilt and dry out. I'm going to be running over to the willow tree, getting some branches off of it. I'm going to use the branches for growth hormones, so I can get these guys to hopefully take root faster. I'm using some old bottles. I got 3 of them that I found on the way at work and in the back of my other truck. So we'll be cutting open. Alright, I'm going to take my snips and I'm going to run over there and grab a branch off the willow tree, which shouldn't be hard because it looked like a piece of it fell last night. Here's what I'm looking for. Really just need the bark, but I'm going to chop it into small enough pieces so as it doesn't try to sprout on its own, because that sprouts easy. Get you down. Mosquito. Bye, mosquito. Let me go get some water. Old minnow bucket's used for a lot of stuff, and I'm just going to chop a bunch of these up into little chunks. If I need to add more, I will. Let's start with one that I already got started. I'll take this bottom leaf off. That should be enough to get it going. Just going to set it in there. See what else I got. Take that off, take that off, take that and that off. I'm going to take half of this leaf. Don't want it burning off. I'll take a little more than half. Try not to use all its energy up. Set that one in there. Two leaves on that one. 2 birds down. Now I've got several on this stick. Really put that one in there and see if that'll take. It's a little woody, but you never know. Snag these off. Stick it in this container. Oh, we're not gonna. Yeah. And then we're gonna take one of these. And this stick right here, this one, and this one over to the aquaponics garden. And this one. I think that's all. I'll take all these to the aquaponics garden. These 3, and we're going to stick them just in there where they can get moisture to see if they don't start growing in that line. Let that hang in there for a second. Oh no, this one's empty, so something ate the plant. Something ate my plant, so we're going to stick a green one on this side and a stick on this one in the middle, almost in the middle. And we're going to put it back in the garden, in the hole. And we can see if they make it or not. So we got 1 right here and 2 in this one. Alright, and you can see my aquaponics garden is clearing up pretty good, except the willows keep putting nasty stuff in my water. I'm going to set these guys in the house close to my window, and I'll check on them in a few days, see if they got roots. Hope this works. This has in the past. I've grown them out of it and then I killed them all because I'm a monster to plants. So thanks for watching. If they do root, I'll make a follow-up video on both of them. See, actually I'll make a follow-up video if they don't. If I let them accidentally go bad, I'll go bad. Happens sometimes. I don't get back to the water fast enough. I'll do a video on potting them up for the online Facebook plant sharing thing they got. I think people like these. This plant makes some really nice figs. It's a fig tree, if I didn't mention it in the beginning. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video.